to talk to you about feeling stuck. We all get that feeling that we can't move on, that we're treading water, that we don't know where we're going. And I just really want to give you some encouragement and some tips for getting unstuck. Clearly, the first thing that we need to be thinking about is, well, how do I get unstuck? And really, the best thing to do is to go back to what I call first principles. And first principles are things like, how am I managing my time? Have I got a structure? But also, what are my goals? What are my short-term, medium-term and long-term goals? But beyond that, maybe the original goals weren't motivational enough. Perhaps you need to revisit those goals by asking yourself, what difference will it make if I reach that goal? What sense of achievement will I have? And perhaps your goals need to be bigger. I think in terms of big goals for people, because we have a fear of failure. If I set goals for myself, then I'm only teeing myself up for failure if I don't make it. However, goals can be very motivational, and stretching goals can be very motivational, because if you reach that goal, the sense of achievement will just be off the charts. And so the prize is worth going for. And, let's face it, if you're going for a big goal, you will stretch yourself. You will come right out of your comfort zones, and you will blossom as a result of just setting big goals. So my advice to you is to, in order to get unstuck, think about how you're spending your time. Think about having a structure, but more than that, think about re-energizing yourself by setting yourself goals that will set you on fire. And by doing so, everything else will start to fall into place, and you will have energy and drive in order to meet the needs of the goal, and you will become unstuck. So what sort of goal will motivate you? What big goal will make you get up and start doing? Do that now. Write down your goal. What's your dream? Let's make your dream a reality. Let's do that now. Thank you.